Come test drive the 2017 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, airbags, front, center, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.